In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Gmail space for more Google Drive storage. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, here's a fast way to free up space without manually opening and deleting emails one by one. Start by clicking the Promotions tab at the top of your inbox. This tab usually contains marketing emails, newsletters, and promotional content that take up unnecessary space. Next, click the Select All checkbox in the top left corner of the email list to select everything currently displayed. Then click the Delete icon, which looks like a trash can, to remove these bulk emails from your inbox. Now move to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type as attachment larger, 10 megabytes, and press Enter. This search will show emails that contain attachments larger than 10 megabytes, which typically consume the most storage. Carefully review the list of emails with large attachments. Select the checkboxes next to the emails you no longer need, then click the Delete icon to remove them. After deleting emails, go to the left sidebar menu and click More to expand the folder list. Then click on the Trash folder. At the top of the message list inside Trash, click the Empty Trash Now link. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK to permanently delete the items. This step is important because storage space is only fully freed once the trash is emptied. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.